So it's Christmas Eve and there's a bit of a thunderstorm going on. I don't know if you just saw that. Yeah. Wow. Who knew? On Christmas Eve. Wow. Okay, that was cool. It's pretty dark, I can't really see much. See you right, Charlie? It's cold. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside now. Wow, okay, that's cool. That was cool. Oh, I just want to film this forever. Okay, well, hopefully. Oh, okay. Wow, that was cool. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Oh, I just want to keep filming this. So cool. Okay, well, it's nearly Christmas, so, Merry Christmas. And happy Thunderstorm.